so today I will be showing you guys how to make an invisible soda experiment and also how it works. So I'll be showing you how to do it and also why it works, basically. So for this experiment, you will need 2% milk, and 2% milk because it has a higher saturated fat content, so it mixes better with something I will tell you later in the video. Then you need a dark colored soda, so you can see the results better, and also there's something in it that will help the reaction put together, but I'll tell you that also later in the experiment. Then you'll need a measuring bowl, just so that you can put the milk in to the Coke without going like, because that would just be weird. And so I also cut the label off of the Coke, or the dark colored soda, just so that I can, or you guys can see the results better. So first off, in the procedure, you need to remove the label just so you can see it better. And then you take some of the milk and pour it into the measuring cup. Also make sure to get more than you need, just so that you don't overuse it. And then what you also need to do is you need to remove most of this soda so that it's about halfway. So I'll just do that real quick and then I will be back with you. So it's very important when you're doing science experiments at home to be nice to your siblings. Here you go, Tyler.
Thank you, Kyle.
You're welcome. Yeah, I'm a nice brother. So, now that we have it about halfway filled, we can open it back up again. And then you're going to tilt the soda sideways. And then you're going to grab the measuring thingamajigger. And you are going to slowly, very slowly pour in the milk. Till it's back about, so it's still going to be, it's only going to rise a little tiny bit, but you don't want to add too much, but we're just going to add a little bit more, just to be safe. Let's just put this in. So when I said you need a paper towel, is sometimes when you pour it in, it bubbles up like this, and it's still doing it right now, but it could possibly expand, making it just work. And so the one thing about this experiment is it takes a really long time for it to happen. So it will take a couple days. So we're just gonna look at that every day from this week and probably a little bit next week. And so I'll be back with you when I can tell you guys about the science behind this experiment. What basically happens is when you pour the milk into the soda, the milk and the phosphoric acid inside of the Coke mix together and creates a dense, like bubble, not bubble, like a glob of, like, it's kind of like a solid, but it's not completely a solid. And so since it's really dense, it falls to the bottom and leaves the rest of the liquid inside completely invisible, which basically just makes it invisible, and it doesn't really have any flavor anymore. I mean, I don't think it has any more flavor, but yeah. So they fall to the bottom, it just becomes invisible, and it won't be like completely see-through complete, because it just really doesn't happen that way because of the syrup inside of it. But it'll be a yellowish clear, but you can still, see it, and you can definitely see that it changes color. Bye. That's that. I hope you enjoyed, and this is the experiment. And so I hope you guys want to try this at home at some other time. And yeah, so bye. See you next time. Bye. Cheers.